I couldn't do that.
Okay, this is like depressing watching this because these are like skills that I could never do. This is insane.
Why are you competing in women's gymnastics?
I can't.
Are you kidding me? I'm glad these men didn't compete in our day against us.
The attack on women continue, but now you're starting to see women recognize that you better stand up for yourself. You better. You told all the men's to shut the fuck up. So now you're kind of left out there on your own. And if you're not going to stand up for yourself as dudes start invading your spaces and your territory when it comes to women's sports, then you all fuck. You on your own. You told us to shut up. You better do something. Well, they're finally getting that message. You saw this with the whole swimming fiasco with that chick who was 8 feet fucking tall, kind of gigantic cod piece, but managed to get pregnant or some shit like this. I have no idea how to get this was. Made me fucking really upset with that. Starting to see the women not standing next to the stunning and brave gold winner. And now you're going to see another thing. Here's skateboarding for you. Skateboarding, I guess Red Bull does some sort of skateboarding thing. Not quite sure. Don't really care. Skateboarding is something that I've left behind 30 years ago because I desperately wanted to be good at it. My brother, I couldn't do it. So, I don't know. I got to write some sort of vestibular review. So, here's the New York Post. You got skateboarder Taylor Silverman rips trans competitors who win as unfair. You're about to be attacked. Taylor Silverman over here. Pictures here without the Jew card because there is no exactly of Jewish. How dare you? It's just an anti-Semitic. Holy shit, let's do real trouble over here. Well, you're gonna attack this woman over here. This is an actual woman, by the way. So you're gonna throw all your woman rhetoric right the fuck out the window. Well, good luck with that because she's Jewish. Oh, well, we can still attack her even though she's Jewish because she's attacking big guy like trans calculus. This is sort of SJW woke arithmetic that somehow they can figure out. They can't do basic algebra when it comes to woke economics, so holy fuck, they all got PhDs. And a hyper amount of confusion. So, this is the second place winner at the Red Bull Cornerstone, and not very happy about it, despite smiling in this picture. I guess once she realized that she wasn't going to get anywhere near the monetary purse, she was I'm loving all of it. I'm loving watching all of it. I can't wait to see a whole bunch of fucking dudes identifying as women going into women's soccer with just kicking ass. It'll be awesome. Sword check. Just right into the stands. Don't worry about it. Anyway, female skateboarder is looking out at a picture that is more around the community with its best, saying it's a must of thousands of dollars in prize money. Shut up. I'm sick of being bullied in science. Taylor Silverman was when on Instagram she wrote the video on Instagram. Holy shit, we're not going to be able to navigate this. That's what you need to sit down and shut up. On Wednesday, already winning more than 17,000 likes rolls in Florida attacks accusing her of being a post. Every rational person is on the same page. This is insane. They're syndicated out these sports for a reason. Science, not science. Science doesn't want you to do that. And now you understand that you're broken up into your cultural time on everything. You can throw it also out the window. And now you're surprised that people are finally standing up and taking years at this point. Like, no, women need spaces. You told us that women need spaces for women, right? Because we're not women. But then when dudes identify as women, go in and reach out to everything. Deadlifting, cycling, swimming, running, weightlifting, everything. Yeah, all over the place. That's for a reason. That's the reason why these things were separated out. And let go, no. We understand science is the most. You guys are the most fucking confused individuals on this planet. And this woman's coming out and saying they're finally recognized. They better, again, stand up and say something because you're losing out. And so, 17,000 likes. the vast majority of people are on this person's side. Right? They're afraid to say this out loud because then they'll be attacked, of course, by this ravenous group of Kool-Aid-haired lunatics, even though they only rank in the numbers of probably 10 or 20. They're amplified on these platforms, and then the bots are programmed to latch onto it. So it seems like they're the majority. You're the fucking way minority. Shut the fuck up. 17,000 likes. But, of course, 4 or 5 fucking lunatics will get this chick kicked off of everything. So much for that whammon empowerment, whammons rights, sticking with whammons, right? You idiots. No, they'll tear her down. To protect Queen of Vacation over here. Notice even the camera was like, oh, this is a 4K camera. The camera was like, I got information on Clinton. I'd rather die. That's your first place winner. And so I saw a fascinating situation play out on Twitter over here where this guy's got the story, he's talking about it. And Tim Pool jumps in. Tim Pool, famous inner-zone skateboarder and podcaster, I think. But he's like, he's got, hey, they don't care about this, Tim. Fucking Tim's over here and said, oh, look, there's biology over there. They're not biologists, Tim. They don't care. You don't fucking care. No, the Q angle. Look at this. He got the science skateboarder breakdown. And this fucking chick comes in, of course, blue check moron. Excuse me, females have a lower center of gravity and thus have a unique advantage in conducting the necessary gymnastics on wheels? I don't think this is about full contact or race. It's about subjective artistry of the moves required. How are the better gymnasts? Or who are? Well, I know who's the better riders, but who are the better gymnasts? Men then? Or wait, it's clearly the women. Their beauty, their grace, their elegance. Of course they're the better gymnasts. If they were put on wheels, they would totally win. The woman has the advantage over here, not the trans woman facing bigotry. Holy shit, this fucking dude posted this video of these Olympic champions watching dudes doing their routines, and they're having, or they're pregnant, and they're like, oh shit, how's he doing that? Because we got muscles, we got testosterone, and that shit's magic. And if dudes were allowed to compete with women in women's gymnastics, we'd explode, yo. You don't even understand. That's why, again, this has all been separated out. And of course, if you mention this, you're gonna get attacked. You're gonna get destroyed. So this poor woman over here, pointing out that she's losing thousands of dollars because a trans individual has stunning and braved all over the place. I'd like to see the routine, I guess, at this point, because was the TRANSKATER even better, or is it these situations where like, oh, we better give it to the trans person? If we don't give the first prize to the trans person, then we're going to be attacked, so fuck it, let's just do it. But there you have it, my friends. The women's sports individuals finally recognizing that there is a gigantic target painted on their back with all of this woke nonsense, and you are going to lose. You're going to lose your scholarships, you're going to lose your prize money, you're going to lose everything if you don't stand the fuck up and get loud, get rowdy, engage the Rowdy Roddy Piper energons, and stand up for yourself, stand up for your sports, and understand everybody's behind you, except for 4 dumb twats on Twitter who've never been on a skateboard, who've never been in a swimming pool, who've never cycled, they've never done anything remotely close to fucking exercise other than stuff in their fat fucking faces. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Support you. You want to be kept up to date on women getting strong and empowered. Hit that subscribe button and make way, because the salt must flow.
Escape, no, that I'm gonna do. Escape, yeah. left out. Been straight, straight, and all.